going to be taking a break from YouTube in order to recharge. We talked about this during the How to Live on 24 Hours a Day book series, the importance of taking the time to focus on personal growth and rest. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized that I need to take time to focus on this, and I'll go more into this later on in this video. I will be returning on Saturday, July 26th, so if you'd like, you can use this time to catch up on over 500 videos that are currently on this channel. I have gone through and updated all the playlists, and I've included the links to those playlists in the description below. So some examples of those playlists are decluttering and organization, and planning with ADHD, functional planning, faith planning, planner how-to videos, goal setting, what I wish I knew before planning, ideas for using a planner, and so on. To get an email when I'm back, make sure you're signed up for my mailing list. I will include the link to that in the description down below as well. And in order to make sure that those emails are not going to your spam folder, you can search Personalize My Planner in your emails after you've signed up, and then click on Not Spam at the top of the page. Also, in order to get notified on YouTube, you can make sure that the bell icon is set to all and not personalized. If it's set to personalized, it's not guaranteed that you'll get notified. So that's why you want it to be set to all. I will be using this time to plan out and design the 2026 Personalize My Planner Faith Planner, because I really want to make sure that I'm putting enough thought and time into it and not rushing through it. I also really need to focus on my health right now. I've mentioned several times on this channel about how when I let it get out of control, my symptoms get worse and become more painful. So I have recently, due to some circumstances, have gotten off track, and so now I need to spend that time to get back on track. This will allow me to create content for you in the future. And there's also something that's been on my bucket list for over half of my life that I have a goal of achieving this year. And thinking about it, I realized that it's going to take a lot of energy and time to make that happen. A lot of you have shared with me your struggles with your planners and also have requested specific videos. So when I return, I will be posting a bunch of viewer requested videos, and also there are some other videos that I have been wanting to film that I'll be posting as well. So I hope that you'll join me, and I'll see you on Saturday, July 26th. Bye!